Hey guys, Seton HVAC here. So a quick little service announcement here, a little PSA, so to speak. I went ahead and deleted the videos from yesterday. I had the long form video about something I'm not gonna. It's not worth mentioning. And then I had another quick spontaneous one that I did late last night. You know, part of being the bigger man is to you know, be the better man, be somebody that shows respect, and somebody that does not stoop down to the level of others. Now, it's a case in point of how some people have nothing better to do than they just want to try to destroy somebody else. And you know, everything I do on this channel is to just try to make people laugh. I think a lot of it's funny, no matter where you come from, no matter what your background is, what your politics are, what your interests are, you know, whether you're fat, short, tall, skinny, black, white, red, green, whoever the hell you are. You know, I think we should all come to a common ground and just get along with each other. And you know, sometimes my need to you know, kind of razz and make fun of people, and you know, just kind of I see it as comedy. And you know, I know it's hurtful to some people, and you know, this isn't just an apology. It's just a hey, peace offering to everybody in this world. I understand we don't all come from the same place. We don't all have the same background, and you don't see things the same way that I do. But I want everybody to know, from where I'm coming from, nothing is ever meant to hurt. It's more of a comedy thing. It really always has been. And as it pertains to my personal life, excuse me, my personal life and work, everything else, it's all for the sake of comedy, having fun. And you know, if I can help somebody out learning something in HVAC, then that's what I want to do. So just a quick little video here. Peace offering for everybody, public service announcement. I don't want that. I never did. And you know, I'm just gonna say, when I get those thumbs down, I don't like it, because I think if they really knew inside where this channel's coming from, you wouldn't give me a thumbs down. You give me thumbs up. Kind of why I did one of those shorts, thumbs up. So God bless everybody. I hope everybody's doing well out there, and we'll just leave it at that here on this Monday night. And I look forward to more interactive HVAC videos with you.